Hi guys! So I just got my LASIK done 3 months ago and I'm fully recovered and I don't experience any side effects anymore. So here's a short clip of me on the actual day of the procedure. Hi guys, I'm here at WI Clinic to do my LASIK procedure today, and honestly I'm a little bit nervous and excited at the same time. Last month I came over to do my pre-assessment to check whether if I'm suitable to do LASIK, and the whole process took about 2 hours as they have used many sophisticated devices to check my eyes. And today I'll be heading in to do the procedure, so I'll be seeing you guys in a few days. Obviously, it wasn't a few days but actually 3 months later. Well, technically I can see on the second day after the procedure, but for now, my doctor told me that I have 6 out of 6 perfect eyesight and I can see things clearly, and it's very convenient for me because I don't need to put on glasses or contact lenses anymore. During the surgery I was very nervous, but the nurse that was attending me was very caring and understanding. She slowly briefed through what's going to happen next so that I'll be prepared, and the whole process was about 2 hours, but the actual surgery was very quick. Well, most of the time it was just getting ready for the next step, lots of cleaning, lots of washing, and making sure that I'm prepared for the next procedure. There wasn't much pain at all, even after the anesthetic wore off after the surgery. My eyes just felt dry and itchy, a little bit scratchy, but I was told not to actually rub it because it may disrupt the healing process. So I just used a lot of eye drops and eye medication and lots of rest to actually get through the first few days. My eyes were very red for the first few weeks, and I do feel a little bit uncomfortable from time to time during that period as my eyes get tired and dry easily. I was just advised to actually put a lot of eye drops every few hours. And the first few weeks of recovery was very important because you have to keep putting on eye drop medication provided by the doctor to prevent infection and promote healing. So I was very careful to actually take a lot of rest to recover. Another factor was that I couldn't actually wash my face or my hair for the first week after the surgery, which obviously was a hassle to me because all I only could do was to actually use the facial wipe and clean my face, avoiding the eye area. And for the eye area, right, I just use a cotton ball that has been soaked in recently boiled water and clean around it. Well, the main issue I have was that my eyes were really very dry on the first month after the surgery, and it continued on the second month, which I thought that I was going to be prepared to use eye drops for the rest of my life. But guess what? It's on the third month and I don't feel dry anymore, which I'm really thankful for. So I'm really glad that I did the surgery. It was a good investment. And the clinic I went was W Clinic at Suntec. They were really very professional and I had very good experience with them. So that's about it. If you want to know more about my LASIK journey, make sure to check out the blog post at www.thezonghan.com. Be sure to hit the subscribe button and follow me on Instagram. Bye bye!